Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Ninjin Shirishiri, which is stir-fried carrot with egg plus canned tuna. Ninjin Shirishiri is originally Okinawa's local food. Okinawa is southern isles of Japan. It is now so popular all over here because it's tasty and again, super easy to make. So let's get started! Ingredients for Ninjin Shirishiri is only 3. First one is of course carrot. Second one is egg. The third one is canned tuna. But if you don't have canned tuna, you can make it these two alone. But I believe with canned tuna is popular. To make it, we have only 3 steps. Step 1 is to cut the carrot into pieces. I heard that Okinawan people have sidedish, which is a special slicer to make carrot into little pieces. But if you don't have it, you can do it with ordinary knife. Step 2 is to stir fry canned tuna first and then carrot. Step 3 is season it with salt, dashi powder, sugar, soy sauce, and pour the beaten egg. That's it. Super easy, isn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1. Step 1 is to cut the carrot into pieces. Yeah, with peeler. Here now the carrot is cut. So why don't we go on to step 2. Step 2 is to stir fry them. Heat the pan and pour some vegetable oil and canned tuna first. Medium heat. Shortly after, carrot in. Stir fry until the carrot gets soft. Right, I believe carrot gets soft, so why don't we go on to step 3. Step 3, season. Start with salt, 1 tablespoon. Dashi powder, about 1 tablespoon. This next one is optional, but if you like it sweet, put a half tablespoon of sugar as well. But I believe with sugar is more popular, and with soy sauce, just for flavor. So a little bit of soy sauce to pour the beaten egg. Okay, pour it. Do not overcook. If you put it in the bento, I recommend you to cook it well. Okay, that's it. Why don't we plate it? Wow, looks cool, isn't it? Now, Ninjin Shirishiri stir-fried carrot with egg plus canned tuna is ready to eat. Looks great. Alright, thank you for watching. Now you know to make Ninjin Shirishiri is ultra super easy. So why don't you try it at home? It doesn't take time. It's about 5-6 minutes or so. So if you like this video, please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave a message down below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye. Arigato.